I am in what we call the gallery at the Portal Crystal Gallery, which is a shop in Arlington, Massachusetts, and I have arrayed all of our crystal balls, and this is an extended play review of them. These actually right here are going to be discounted because even though this is a pretty rose quartz, it has some rustiness on the bottom. I'm probably going to wholesale these. There are some interesting ones though. This I call a Crystal Quartz, which has got some green in with the white. We've got a milky quartz ball. This smoky quartz here, can't think of what else to call it except maybe flower agate. Here we have lapis, we have a lower grade jasper. I'm going to be picking out a subset of these. This is kind of outstanding. Ruby with kyanite and fuchsite. This is Yavasupai spirit stone, which is kind of cool. Here we have a very unusual fluorite inside of calcite or quartz, which is kind of nice, and a good sodalite there. But all in still, these are going to be super discounted. We then move over to these, which are the large one. This is a gigantic terminated amethyst, sort of, somebody called it a Pac-Man. This is a ball and egg of petrified wood. It's kind of huge. This is a green faux, somehow colored citrine, septarian egg. This is a very interesting crinoid fossil ball. I love this particular ocean jasper. And here we have some very large rose quartzes. This is a fun blue aragonite. This is a Jasper's chalcedony septarian. Banded aventurine, dune jasper, blue calcite, kambaba jasper. Blue quartz over here might be dyed. This is really interesting. You're getting all the detail from all the points of an amethyst cluster when this ball was carved out of whatever strata it was cut out of. We got a bunch of selenites here, nice selenite spheres. What I like about selenite spheres is that if you're lucky, there you go, you can see right through them, and you can kind of see my hand moving in the background there, even though it's not visible when you hold it like this. If you hold it like that, you can see right through it. Makes it a good scrying ball. We have really nice quality amethysts here, smoky, clear quartz, good rose quartzes, including a bunch of stars. Green fluorite, angelite, very unusual yellow fluorite here, some chatoyant, top quality malachites, including this very special sort of open geode ball. And this is garnet, which is kind of cool, black tourmaline, another pretty nice ocean jasper, ruby with zoisite. There's another one of those jasper septarians. This is a really exceptional malachite right here. Larimar, great big Larimar, great big nephrite jade. This is blown glass, very cool. Some nice smalls, including these crazy, what I call mystic agates. Oh, back here we've got some amazing stuff. Fuchsia fluorite, sunstone, new jade, mahogany obsidian, purple jade, leopard jasper. This is a really fun one. It's a glittery fuchsite ball. We've got ruby in zoisite. We've got straight zoisite. We've got a really nice lapis, morado opal, garnet, stromatolite from Peru, coquina jasper from India. If you see anything you like, obviously screenshot it or rewind. Email me, CrystalConcentrics@gmail.com if you want to see any of these closer or purchase them. assuming that I still have them when you end up seeing this video. This is a really fun sort of druzy sphalerite aura plated ball. We have a bunch of eggs, including lavender fluorite, which is a favorite. That's a really good color. Rhodonite right there. Another coquina jasper. Zoisite. This is kind of amazing because it's like grape agate, except it's a pink cranberry amethyst, which is dramatically discounted. And this Argentine blue onyx is quite special. You don't see those every day. This is a very fiery fire quartz. This looks like a fried egg, which is kind of fun. About this and about pricing, I always reserve the right to, change prices because this video might be up for years and I don't want to be held to old prices. This is another softer fire quartz. Notice the difference between a super intense one and a softer one. This is a fossil jasper, septarian, nice red jasper, very nice rhodonite, big rainbowed clear quartz. This is orbicular granite, which is incredibly cool stuff, very unusual and rare and quite big and heavy, probably pretty expensive to mail. This is a very nice moonstone. You've got your rainbow obsidian. This is a aura sphalerite ball with lots of nice little geode action. This is kind of fun stuff. This is like a little druzy geode inside of this sort of tuxedo agate. And then you have some jasper here, which suggests it may have been septarian, sort of cracked up and filled in by quartz. We got a great big citrine calcite, so it's not pretending to be a citrine per se, except that it certainly has that color. Nice big calcite ball, blue quartz, fluorite. This is an aquamarine fluorite, which means it has blue and green together. Larvikite, a really top quality blue fluorite here. This is another one of those fluorites in calcite. Here's a scolasite lingam, which is very cool. We've got jaspertite, which is jasper and hematite. Only the red and only the gray together, rather than a tiger iron where you see tiger eye mixed in as well. These are all waiting to be labeled. These are the lucky little carved within pieces here, soapstones. And we also, to finish out, we've got an outrageous collection of ametrine spheres, eggs, a cat's eye, Siberian jade. We've got Afghan jades. We've got Canadian jade. We've got a top grade new jade, a blue serpentine, some Siberian jade, more Siberian jade, basically from small 3mm up to these other fancier ones. So that's a basic overview of all our spheres, from ametrine and jade to mixes of fluorite. Oh, there's some bloodstone lingams over there. Garnet, basically grape agate. We've got orbicular, ruby in different materials, unusual fluorites. We've got great amethyst, selenite, all of these big pieces. Very nice and worthy of a scan. Again, screenshot and email CrystalConcentrics if you're interested in any of these items. And these are going to be kind of closeouts. Rock bottom pricing. This one's kind of fun. I call it a zigzag amethyst because it's got the cluster, the crystal cluster style showing. These are going to be blown out. These are serpentine eggs of a darker and lighter variety. And then over here we have a sweet collection: large labradorite, sodalite, aragonite onyx, new jade, many, many good things. So that's the entirety of our crystal ball collection at the Portal Crystal Gallery, which is owned by CrystalConcentrics, and yours truly, Kyle Russell here, signing off. Take screenshots if there's anything that you like. Zoom in, email me for specifics, pricing, etc., and I will be happy to help you. Thanks for watching. Signing off.